Friends, after going through my many blogs on the earthing system, I was asked that how about earth will compound and my opinion or what the logic or technology says about using the bentonite. So today we are going to talk about the Gyan conductive earth fill formulation. Friends, as you know, since many years we are using bentonite as a filling media. As such, bentonite has a no conductivity. You can see in this probe. Please show. See, there is no conductivity. You will not find any glow over there. There is no conductivity. Similarly, earth also will not have any conductivity. Look. No continuity. No continuity. There is a continuity. See, check. Continuity is there. Yeah, it is there. Glow is there. It is not there. Now, if we come to this, see. This is the Gyan formulation. This is a permanent conductive media. This is a dry powder. This is simply a dry powder. Take out. Lay low. Now, you see, what we have done, we have put up the three powders. The first is a earth clay direct. It is a earthen clay. It is a mitti. Now, this is basically a dry bentonite powder. And this is our Gyan formulation, which is also in a dry state. Then the second case, what we did, this is with the water, this is also added water, and this is also added with the water. The third row, which is dried up clay, the clay that was the first, it is dried up, then dried up bentonite and dried up the Gyan conductive earth fill formulation. Now if you see the difference, that first what we show you, this is the dry. So no glow. You can switch off the light. See. There is hardly, you say just. So there is no conduction near or far. Near, no. Far, no. Now you see here. This is a pure bentonite powder. It is pure bentonite powder. See, a slight glow near or far. No, not much difference. Now you see in our formulation in dry condition. So see, there is a permanent conductive, near or far. Near or far. It is a permanent conductivity it shows. See the glow. It is permanent. Now take it out. Now let's come to the second where we added the water in the earth. This is a clay. This is earthen clay. You see? Now how this glow has come? It is ionic conduction. It is because of the water and it is not a distilled water. It has to be the water which contains the mineral salts. So you see the glow. You see? Happy? Now take it out. And now see the bentonite also filled with the water. You see, here also you will see the beautiful glow. So as long as the water is there or it is a moist, it will give you the result. But how long it will remain wet, that is also a question. Come to the third. So it is the same glow what it was in the dry state. So whether irrespective whether you add the water or not, it remains permanent conductive. Now we come to the third part. So let us see the third part. In this case, once again it gets dried up. See, the glow is gone. It is dried up. The same thing, the third case, it is dried up. Put it here. So no glow. Now put it here. Again the same glow after drying up. You will see the crack also. See the crack. Any corner you go. Even after the crack also it shows. It just passes to the side. But it has a permanent conductivity. So friends, what we are trying to see is this. Once again I repeat. This first row is a full of clay. So clay, the dry clay, no glow. Then wet. You show in the wet. It has a glow because it is a water ionic conductivity. So it should over. Once again it gets dried up. So this is the third one. So as you see, no glow. Now let us go to the bentonite. No glow, no conductivity. Now you put it into the wet. You see the conductivity. It is because not of bentonite. It is because of the ionic conductivity of the water. So it shows you the glow. Now it gets dried up. So see the third in the series. See, no. Now come to the Gyan permanent conductive or formulation. It's a dry powder. See the glue? Yeah. Put it in the next. The wet condition. Glue. You see the glue? Now you put it into the dry state once it gets dried. See the same glue. You will not find any difference. This is what we are trying to say, that you need to go with the permanent conductive material, and that is this Gyan solution. This is a Gyan conductive earthfill formation, irrespective of the weather, irrespective of water, whether it is dry or wet, it is going to give you the conductivity, and that will help in dissipating the fault current inside the earth. So this is the best solution what you can apply with our GAN earthing rod, which is coated with the GAN conductive and anti-corrosive coating. I am sure that this practical result will help you a lot in understanding. Think well, the bentonite is only a filler media. It becomes the conductive only when there is a ionic conduction or ionic conductivity when it is a moist or wet condition. But how long it will remain wet or moist? Just at 10 days or 15 days? Secondly, when you put up this, there is no salt, there is no acid, there is no charcoal, so no acidic formulation, and still it always remains conductive. And again, when we say, let us say 76 dia, means a 3-inch dia, but it is not a 4.5 thickness, but it is the full around it. And it has a binding material, it has a dispersion material, and again, all which works as a conductive, what you could see with the test. Thank you very much. If you have any query, any question, please call back to us. Thank you very much.